Hi, I'm Chef Leroy. I'm going to show you how to make 5-cheese Alfredo lasagna. I love lasagna. Lasagna is one of those dishes where you have to take your time to build. If you don't build it correctly, you can mess it up. I'm going to show you how to get it done. Let's make it happen. So we're going to go ahead and build our lasagna. First, you need to put in your lasagna noodles, whoever you're comfortable with. Once you put in your lasagna, then we're going to put our sauce. Sauce is what gives the lasagna the moistness. So too much sauce makes your lasagna run. Too little sauce makes your lasagna dry. Then we're going to add our cheese. Then we're going to add avocado onto this layer. When you're doing lasagna, you want to make sure you're layering every layer consistency so your lasagna can be even. And mozzarella for this second layer. The next round I'll put the cream cheese, and you repeat the process. Once we're done, we're going to throw this in the oven for a good 30 minutes and serve it. This is a nice, easy dish that you can do for anyone. Hope you enjoy.